Hello everybody, my name's Braden.
My name's Mil.
And welcome to
5 Minute Bread.
Today we're going to be making chocolate dip bananas. So what do we have here, Mil?
So we have bananas, coconut, chocolate, white chocolate, milk chocolate, our healthy chocolate.
So let's get this stuff melted.
So when we're waiting for the water to boil, we're going to cut our bananas.
Okay, Mil, so let's get started. So you want these about 1/4 of an inch thick.
Oh, look at this one.
Perfect. I'm just not good. I got my bananas wrong. You're doing it better than I am.
Me?
Yes. Just for the record, I think Miliana is cutting them better than I am right now. So, we're almost done cutting these.
Bananas.
And then we're gonna get to dipping them in chocolate.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put the chocolate in. So when we're ready for the chocolate to boil, we're going
Okay, so after we put our chocolate in the double boiler, we took it off and added a little bit of coconut oil in there to give it a nice shimmer and it looks really nice. So, ready, Mil?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna get our banana.
And we're going to dip it in the chocolate.
We're gonna dip in our chocolate and then cover it with a spoon. Just lightly coat because you don't want to put too much on there. And you're gonna get a toothpick.
And you're going to scoop it up with that.
And you're kind of just gonna like scoop it up.
Yeah.
Scoop it up just like that. And we're gonna flip it over and put it on there. And then Miliana is
But
gonna
decorate it with coconut.
Exactly. Okay, so let's do
This
some more.
one is going to be Mom's. Mommy, do you like coconut? Okay. This one is that.
Okay, so the inspiration for this recipe came from
A long time ago.
exactly. When I came home from school, my mom had these chocolate-covered bananas, and they were the best thing in the world to me after a long day of biking. So we wanted to try to replicate that. So after we finish all these, we're gonna put them in the freezer, and then after they're done frozen and they're hardened up a bit, you can put them in Ziploc bags and enjoy any time of the year.
And when you're on a picnic.
And when you're picnic, they're good for everything. So Mil, let's just finish all these bananas because there's quite a bit here.
It's almost time. So we cook these at an hour, so we're ready to eat them.
Right, we put them in the freezer for an hour, so now we're ready to eat them. So you get that one, and I'll get the one you made because yours look a lot better than mine. That's really good. So as you can see, these turned out amazing, and I encourage you guys to try them. I think Miliana's already on her second, so then she gets the Miliana approved. I hope you guys like this video, and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and
Don't forget to subscribe.
bye!